Hey, what's going on, team? This is Castro here at LYNS Investment. Wanted to take the time to really thank each and every one of you guys for being with us today. This is a epic time in 2026, and more importantly, you're here, and we want to make sure that you're taken care of by understanding what exactly you're getting as a free member, right? As a free member, you get access to the community, right? All the library materials. You get a monthly small group session where we talk about stocks and we talk about options. And equally as important, every week we trade together. So if you never traded options before, check out our library, Introduction to Options class or course there. And every week, right, we trade together so you guys can understand the fundamentals of options. If you become a paid member, you decide to do that. We cater to our paid members. We want to make sure that not only are they successful, but they're making a lot of money. I think you guys have seen some of the chats here. What our members have been posting. Hey, I did this, I did that, or whatever. I'm gonna give you an example, right? So this is public knowledge is here. So Craig, for example, he's been with us for quite some time, and this week, Craig made over $4,300. So this is one trade. This is about $2,000 total return, right? That's from Craig. Another trade of his, he posted. This was 460 bucks, so that's 500 bucks. Let's round that off to 500. That's $2,500. Round that off. And then the last trade that he wanted to share was about 1,800 bucks. So 25 plus 18 is about 4,300 bucks. That's pretty cool, right? To say that he made $4,300 in 1 week and he's a paid member just lets you know that whatever you pay into the membership, you get it back six, seven, 800% more, right? Again, our number one priority is to make sure our paid members are making a lot of money. And that's why you're going to see a lot of these guys when they posting some of their wins is because, like, for example, you had Parasite Luciano, total return $1,000 on this one trade. So he put up $2,000 and he made 1,000 bucks. That's pretty impressive. This one again, right? He made another 1,000 bucks on Tesla, right? So that's 2 grand that he made on 2 trades. And mind you, this gentleman here, guys, he made $15,000, right? Hopefully, he can confirm that, right? But he made 15K. He's been with us for 2 months. That's my bro right there, my little bro. And again, our members, our paid members, we want to make sure like they're learning, they're earning, and we're having a great time making as much money as possible. Another one of our members, right, is Tesha. She's been killing it. Jonathan's been killing it as well, right? I hope that they will post. I know Jonathan, he has a tendency to post, but is on here if you want to take a look at it, whatever. But I know he killed it this week as well. He gave me like 3 trades this week, and out of those 3 trades, all of them made us money. Because of him, I have actually broken my record in about 3 years. I made almost 7 figures this week in 2 weeks. It's all because again, Jonathan, right, gave me those 3 trades, Oracle, and I forgot the other ones, and we did extremely well on it. So our community is about having fun and sharing information, as it's what I'm literally alluding to. We have fun, we share information, and we trade together, especially for our pay members because we trade at least 4 or 5 times a week live. So as I mentioned, you get access to the community. Every month we do an introduction to options workshop. And every Monday, guys, I hope that you take heed of this opportunity. Every Monday we actually trade together. If you want to get the details of that, it's under announcements. Invite anyone that you're interested in actually inviting. Again, this is the free section of our community. Um, this is a Zoom link here, right? You just have to click the link, put in the passcode, and on Monday you can actually trade live with us at 10 a.m., right? 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Oh no, no, I'm sorry, that's the workshop. So we trade every day at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So as soon as the stock market opens, we're on and we're actually trading together. Share the Discord group with anyone who's interested in trading, interested in making a little money on the side. That's what we all about. We're about fun, earning, and learning, right? So you're gonna hear that a lot. Fun, learning, and earning, right? We're gonna have a lot of fun, and we're gonna learn a lot, and we're gonna definitely earn. So that's the information there. Just to navigate through the Discord link here. All the announcements will be placed in the announcements. If you have a question, please feel free to put your question there. It will be answered within 24 hours, right? Within 24 hours, that question will be answered for you. Here are the rules, right? The news here, right? Any news that we think is pertinent to the stock market, technical analysis. Every once in a while, I put stocks there that I'm looking to trade, and then I want you guys to like really give me your right your analysis on the stock itself and what are you seeing based on the technical. So if you're unfamiliar with that right now, we have a trading checklist where we talk about what exactly is the stock or could potentially the stock do. So that will be there. And here the library, right? All the information that you want to know will be located in the library. Introduction to options, you got to check that out. Right? It gives you a fundamental, right, foundation of what exactly is options, and more importantly, some of the terminology when we talk about options. Um, right, this is our platinum members, right? If you ever decide to become a platinum member, I will personally make sure that you make a lot of money, and this is our gold member here as well. So that's it. Again, I want to thank each and every one of you guys for being part of the community. Help us, please help us grow the community. I think we can help a lot of people. And in turn, I'll make sure that you know you learn a lot and you earn. Okay, again, this is Castro here. I'm going to sign out. Peace and be blessed. And I hope that I see you on Monday. And I hope that I see you in the next course. It's on the 25th of April. The date is actually on there on the calendar as well. I'm putting it on the calendar so we can know every month when exactly we're going to be doing these classes. So I see you then. I see you Monday, and peace and be blessed.